guys, welcome back to Crafty Q. So today we are hosting our very first Easter in our new home, and I wanted to decorate and make it sort of special. So I'll show you what I did to kind of decorate for the holiday. So the color scheme I went with is this green, I think it's called Sage, from the company that I actually got the tablecloths from. So it's kind of hard to see in this video, but the table runners are actually lavender. And then we have the pink rose petals on the table. And then we have the matching green or sage silk napkins. And then the gold napkin ring holders that I made. The gold chargers. And then inside these jars I just took like a rose from like the Dollar Tree and took them off the stem and just put in the Dollar Tree cylinder jars. And then we have the Dollar Tree jars with the lighted candles. We have here some more jars, and then we have the floating candles here. I just got these new floating candles and they're so cute the way they work. I'll show you guys. So they're water activated. So you take it out the water, it's not lit, and then when you drop it in, it lights. I love stuff like this. We have these large jars right here. I got these Michaels. Got these from Michaels, sorry. And then I took, actually, it's like I should have used ribbon, but I actually took a chair tie and just wrapped it around the jar because I didn't actually have any ribbon at home, but I did have an extra yellow chair tie. And same thing goes for over here. We have the green chair tie around that jar. And on this side, we have the lavender chair tie on that centerpiece over there. Just to give the room a bit more color, just added those three colors. And then we continue on, we just have some more of the jars and wrapped in bling wrap. And then I got these dollar store pink rose petals. They didn't have any other color, but I actually like the pink because it does add some more colors to the table. All right, and then we have over here our big Easter bunny. Back here I took, for the backdrop, I took table runners actually. Actually, I mixed it up. I took table runners and chair ties, and I made this backdrop. And then I have the twinkle lights. And then, let's see, on the table for the TV, I couldn't hide our TV, but I just kind of decorated the table a little bit and put the little gold table runner there. Let's see, what else do we have here? We're not finished yet, but here we have the food table. So I haven't figured out how I'm going to do this yet. Once we get some food on the table, I'll kind of decorate this a little bit. I'll be sure to, keep some flowers on the table. I'm not quite sure if I'm going to keep these pink paper flowers here. I'm not really feeling them with this look, but I don't know. We'll see how it goes. But this is what I have so far. Oh, I forgot. The uplighting. So the room is decorated. It's kind of hard to tell in this video, but the room is decorated in green, lavender, and yellow. And the uplights are actually, we turned it to the lavender color. So I got to finish filling up the jars with water so I can get my floating lights in because I only have that one done. But I'll finish that and hopefully everything comes together quite well. So far, I'm kind of liking the look. I think it looks quite pretty. And then let me show you guys what it looks like with the light off. All right, so that's that. And then, oh, one last thing. Let's turn the lights back on. My son Cairo is helping me. Say hi, Cairo. Hi. So, and for my backdrop, because my family loves to take photos, I have it right here. It's gold and gold sequin, and then I have the table runner. Actually, I have crepe paper you know, hanging from it. So I can go into more detail about how I made this backdrop a little later if you guys are interested. Just leave me a comment below. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you guys have a very happy holiday, and I'll be sure to talk to you in the next one. Take care.